Good morning, YouTube. Day 1 in the books. Welcome to day 2 of the holiday shred. But you know, first it is coffee, collagen, and cardio. So I'll be showing you guys my workouts at the gym today. Let me get all of this goodness together. And I am using the Gauge Life collagen peptides to start my day. You can find this stuff on gagelife.com. And the nice thing about these peptides is the fact that it is hydrolyzed bovine collagen. So I was thinking about something, guys. Actually, I finished my workout, had my huevos rancheros breakfast, same as the last video. It's so nice to be able to just microwave my food and have it ready. Let me show you what I got here. It's a little dark in here. Let me turn the light on. I wanted to talk to you guys about something. So pardon this crazy kitchen light, but all right, there we go. So I chopped up some more cilantro because I love it. Fresh jalapenos. Squeeze a lime over it. I was thinking about something. You know, like when stuff just hits you, it like just hits you. So I wanted to share. I wanted to talk about the real reason why I'm doing this. And it's probably going to surprise a bunch of you guys. So I'm about to partake in my meal. I wanted to talk about the real reason I'm shredding. And the real reason I'm shredding, you guys, is a couple things. The first thing is, a few months ago, I was so overwhelmed with anxiety, having literally daily panic attacks, not able to breathe, just driving myself into the ground, working harder and harder and harder. And I felt trapped for a second. I felt like a slave to my work for a while there. I felt like I put all this energy to pour into others, but I'm not doing anything to pour into me. And I kept telling myself, I'll be okay, I'll be okay. And you can only be that strong for so long before you break. Again, when was it? It was like early October. I was in the emergency room again. I had a complete meltdown, complete and utter meltdown. And sometimes for me, you gotta get to the end of yourself before things can get better. When I'm not taking care of myself, it's going to impact my ability to do my job. It's going to impact my relationships. It's going to impact every part of my life. The main reason I started improving my nutrition, the main reason I started getting my fitness together again, it's, do I want to look better? Of course, who doesn't? But guys, this is my life raft right now. I'm doing this because I need to feel my best. I am no good to anyone if I felt like this, like just 24/7. And I'm no good to anybody unless I'm okay. And I kept telling myself I don't have the time. I kept telling myself this gotta get done, this gotta get done. And I said, you know what? Hold it. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna pause. Don't think of your workouts as, an hour. Think of it as, it's an hour, guys. This is my time to just breathe, to just me, just my heart, my sweat, my time. No one can bother me. Same with the food, guys. Like, I look at food as like, yes, this is an opportunity to nourish myself so I can feel better, because I felt like shit for so long. And for any of you guys who are struggling to get the momentum and rhythm and stuff going, I'd like to take you to where I was. And where I was I just need to feel better. I need to feel better. Guys, the reason we eat healthy is to feel better. It's not so you can no longer enjoy freaking margaritas. It's so you have energy and you feel good and you don't feel like garbage. Just to give you energy. And honestly, guys, the fact that I've been prioritizing myself again, the fact that I've been feeling better, guys, I've been sleeping better. Like, do I still have stressors and problems and things that I got to deal with in life? Yes, but I can't take care of them unless I'm okay. I think as women, it's so easy to put ourselves last. And sometimes, guys, everyone's gonna have to wait. Everyone's gonna be all right. And I think sometimes we can feel so trapped and suffocated in our need to take care of the world without taking care of ourselves. So that's the real reason I'm doing this. I need my full strength and I wanna live my life at my full capacity. If that means being vulnerable in this process, so be it. I am glad to do it, guys. I need this for my sanity, guys. I need this for my sanity. So that's why I'm doing this. And I guarantee a lot of you guys can relate. Don't think that you're missing out on something, guys. there's always gonna be food and alcohol and calorically dense processed foods 24/7, 365. It's always available. What's not always available is peace of mind. What's not always available is freedom from chaos. What's not always available is just feeling in control of I feel like when you feel in control of yourself, you can better control the things around you. So I encourage you guys, if you need to get some of that back, take a step forward towards that. We could work with you. I could coach you. We have custom meal plans. I have other coaches in my team who could coach you guys. You are worth the investment. When I was, like I said, I was in the emergency room and I'm like, you know what? Like, I can't live my life this way. Cannot live my life this way. I have to be better. I have to feel better. I cannot be this run down anymore. So this tread, guys, this holiday challenge, this is my life raft. This is my life raft right now. And I just wanted to keep it real with you. All right, guys, so I'm making you guys a free food salad. I get hungry sometimes on the shred and I want to be able to eat something. So I got these mini cucumbers. I'm gonna chop them up, make this awesome salad with lime, jalapeno, cilantro, and vinegar. I chopped up some cucumbers, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add jalapeno. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some rice vinegar, and the reason I'm choosing rice vinegar as opposed to apple cider is this is a little bit more mellow tasting. Again, it's 0 calories. And what else? Cilantro. I'm gonna just toss this all together and snack on it when I feel like it. So there you have it. It's my free food cucumber salad. Adjust the seasonings to your preferences, but this is just something delicious. Salty, crunchy, sour, to munch on. Have freely, guys. Bon appetit. And I'm just gonna portion myself out some here. I'm gonna add it to some Tupperware, but sometimes you just wanna munch on something. And this is just absolutely delicious. It's spicy, guys, but it's just so good and simple. Boom. Just got to the gym. It's late. But you know what? Gym's still open. I got goals. The hardest thing to do is to get your ass to the gym, but I'm here and let's put in work. Alright, guys, so mesomorph plan. I am on day 2 back and biceps today. Got a lot of work to do. It's all good. Time is it? 8:42. So still early. Gym's open till 11. We got this. All right, guys. So I'm excited to walk you through my back and biceps workout. And what I started off with, I'm following the mesomorph gym training plan, some wide grip pull-ups, which are assisted. And this is part of a superset. So this is working my upper back, this is working my biceps, and I am doing the recommended weight is minus 50 pounds, but I needed to do bit more because I have not been in the gym consistently in a long time. I'm supersetting this with barbell curls. So what this means, you guys, is I'm not taking rest between sets. Instead, I'm moving right to my next exercise and jumping right into that. And you can see I had the barbell. I moved it right next to the assisted pull-up machine to make it easier for myself. So the next thing I did was I just went and did the next set. So I did this back and forth for a total of 4 sets. And like you guys can see, this assisted is very good, especially if you can't do body weight pull-ups, as most women are not able to. But then again, once I finish the wide grip pull-ups, which I'm doing for 12 reps, again, I jump right into my barbell curls. which I'm doing here. And this was killer, you guys. I'm still sore from this workout 2 days ago. And this does not include my morning cardio. And it doesn't include my post-workout cardio. So you can see I'm moving a little bit slower here. Pardon the bloat. I am about to get my period, so the bloat is strong. Now I'm about to jump right into cable rows. This is gonna work my mid, back, and biceps. So I'm doing 12 reps, and right here I'm using 55 pounds. And making sure to squeeze with my back. And I superset these with some dumbbell curls. Again, I moved the dumbbells right next to the machine to make it nice and easy for me to transition right into it. And what I ended up doing, you guys, for a total of 4 sets, this was my second superset, I went back and forth between 12 reps of cable rows and 12 reps of dumbbell bicep curls. My arms are still on fire from this, and this was just a killer workout. It was very challenging and it was great. Now I am getting into hyper extensions, you guys. This is a superset that I am doing, and all the other exercises did 4 sets. This superset was only 3 sets. So I am holding a 25-pound plate. And this hyper extension is actually working my lower back, and you can also feel it in your hamstrings. So I'm doing this for sets of 12, and I'm really engaging that lower back, and hope you guys can see how I set myself up on the hyper extension machine to hold a plate. Now I'm supersetting this with 21s, my favorite bicep workout. You can see for the bottom 7 reps, I'm only taking the bar to the middle of my waist. Now the next 7 reps is from middle to the top head of the bicep curl. And then last 7 is all the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. Again, excuse my bloat, you guys. I am so bloated here. But this was super killer. Now I did that back and forth. Now the last superset was barbell rows. Doing bent over barbell rows here. And I actually supersetted this with some squats, and I finished the workout with some abs. And you can see when I squat, when I get to the top, I kind of squeeze and do like the ugly butt, if that makes sense, where you really just dimple the hell out of your butt because it allows you to squeeze really hard and engage the muscles very hard. So this was a killer workout, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, finished my workout in the like cardio theater area. So that's post-workout cardio. So again, I'm doing the advanced mesomorph training plan. Now, if I can't do the weight on a certain exercise right now, because some of them I just can't do, I just do what I can. I'm only on day 2, guys. Got work to do. Now it's time for some cardio. Let's get this set up to go. I'm doing it after my workout. It's the end of the day. I still have to take my post-workout shake, but it's already 9:30, so get this cardio in. Peace out, friends. Sometimes you gotta amuse yourself while you're doing this cardio, walking on the incline. Listening to the Fugees. Freestyles with the Fugees. Right now, I'm feeling kind of nice. You'll see another side if you look at my rice. Asian women keep it going all night. Love you the right way, hey, ain't gonna. I don't want your man, cause I got it like that. Ha 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 ha. Cause it's me, baby, each and every. If I let you come inside tomorrow, will you hide? Will you be there for me? Alright, it's a wrap. So, about to go home, get my post-workout shake in. Oh, shout out this hat. It is from my friend Brett Hobel of Sweat with Soul. Link his company below, but he's got really cool, inspiring things. And I'm going to announce the winner now for the giveaway for the Gauge Life supplement gift card. So let me go on the comment section of the last YouTube video and announce the winner. So I'm gonna pick this random. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a lot of fun. All right, let's see here. Who do we got? Okay, and the winner is Cynthia Martinez. She lost 20 pounds with 2 rounds of the shred. She wants to lose 20 more by her birthday in March. Cynthia Martinez, you are the winner of the Gage Life Nutrition Supplements $25 gift card. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.